There we go. Finally.
Go. That was good.
I'm scared though to light this one in my hand, like these ones in my hand.
You gonna try one of those?
What?
You only got 3. You only got 4 of them left.
I know. This is all I got left, pretty much, besides the shitty bottle rockets.
Can you put like 2 of them in at once, or?
These things?
Yeah.
One of them would probably.
You got 2 tubes, right?
I mean, we got 2 tubes. We could do one in each tube, but we need another lighter. I only have one lighter.
You can light one after the other. That'll give it a delay.
I mean, we can. Yeah, we can. Here,
I'll
try that.
Just the delay will work because you don't need them to go at once, huh?
Toss me another one.
Oh yeah, sure.
Oi.
There you go. Yep.
You ready? What? Come on.
There it goes. There it goes. Awesome, dude.